Welcome. If you want to get this magic fluid wallpaper on your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first I'm going to delete this application and then I'm going to show you how we can get it. So we have to go for the Play Store. We have to tap on search pool and type here magic fluids. We have to get the application from the Math Sciences. There's this one, Magic Fluids Free Simulation. Click install. And now just wait until it finishes download. Right now we can open this application. Click right here and tap to set as a live wallpaper. Click here one more time. And we can select, we can apply this wallpaper on the home screen, but we can also go with it on the lock screen and the home screen. So we have to select one of the following option, and I'm going simple for the home screen. Right now we can close this application, and we can enjoy our cool fluid wallpaper. And there's also the one funny thing that when you are going to close one of the application, you will get this fluids pop-ups on your screen also. So that's how this how you can get this amazing wallpaper. I hope that'll help you, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.